Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be learning about division. This is a division sign. Division is when you separate a number into equal groups. Division may seem really difficult, but all you need is a simple strategy to help you solve. And today I'll be showing you one. By the end of this video, you'll be solving division problems with ease. Before we begin, let's talk about some important words for division. This is how we write out division. We read it like this: 9 divided by 3. The first number is called a dividend. This is a number we divide or separate. The next number after the division sign is called a divisor. The divisor is the number we use to divide or separate our first number into. Finally, we have the quotient. The quotient is the answer when you divide. Let's look at an example for solving this division problem to find the quotient. My first number is 9. This is my total amount, so let's say I have 9 cookies. When I see the division sign, I'm going to think of it as separated into, because divide means separate. My next number, which is my divisor, tells me how many groups I separate my first number into. The number is 3, so I will separate the number 9 into 3 groups. Each group should be equal. Think about it. If I'm going to share some cookies with 3 people, I want to be fair and everyone should have the same amount, right? I'll give each person 1 cookie at a time until I have no cookies left. I can see that each person has 3 cookies. This tells me that 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Let's look at another example. Here are 10 stickers. We want to divide them equally among 2 friends. Let's write out this division problem. It's important to know when you divide, your dividend, or your first number, is always going to be your total amount. What's the total amount of stickers we have? That's right, 10. Next, we will write our division sign. Now it's time to write our divisor, which is the number that goes after the division sign. Remember that this is the number of groups, or friends in this scenario, that we are separating 10 into. What's our divisor? 2. That's right. We are separating the number 10 into 2 equal groups. So our division problem is 10 divided by 2. Our answer or quotient will tell us how many stickers each friend will get. Let's give each friend 1 sticker at a time until there are no stickers left. I can see that each friend will get 5 stickers. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. See, that wasn't so bad. Now that we know a strategy, it's getting easier and easier, right? Let's try one more. Here we have 16 pieces of candy. We are going to separate them into 4 bags. How do we write out this division problem? Great job! We would write it out as 16 divided by 4 because we have a total of 16 candies and we want to divide them into 4 bags. Now it's time to find our answer. What are we going to do to find out what 16 divided by 4 is? That's right. We are going to put 1 candy in a bag one at a time until there are 0 candies left. Now that we have 0 candies left, we need to find our answer. Our answer is the number that is in each group or bag. How many candies are in each bag? 4. That's right. You got it. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Now that you've learned a strategy that will help you solve division problems, let's talk about a few rules for division. Rule number 1, you can't divide by 0. Let's say I have 4 divided by 0. I can't solve this because if I have a total of 4 and I want to divide or separate it into 0, well, there's nothing for me to separate it into. So I wouldn't be able to solve this. Rule number 2, 0 divided by any number is going to equal 0. This rule is true for all numbers except for the number 0. If I have 0 divided by 4, it's going to equal 0. That would mean I have a total of 0 and I want to separate it into 4 different groups. Well, there's nothing for me to put inside of those groups, so the answer would be 0 because there's 0 in each group. Rule number 3. If you divide a number by the same number, it will always equal 1. This rule is true for all numbers except for the number 0. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And lastly, rule number 4. Any number divided by 1 will equal the same number. For example, 4 divided by 1 equals 4. Knowing all of these rules will help you be able to solve some division problems a little quicker when you see them. You've really learned a lot today. Before you go, let's review some things that we learned. What is the first number called in a division problem? Great job! It's called the dividend. Remember that this is the number that we divide or that we separate. What is the number after the division sign called? That's right, it's called a divisor. A divisor is the number we use to divide or separate our first number into. And we want to think of our divisor as the amount of groups that we have. Lastly, what is our answer called when we divide? Wow, amazing job! It is called the quotient. I hope you had fun learning about division. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you want to keep practicing your skills, click the link in the description below for a free worksheet to help you master division. If you enjoyed this video today, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more educational videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.